What's up, everyone? It's a basic. And listen, times are tough right now. Inflation is high, prices are up, and maybe you're feeling strapped for cash. Over the next 30 days, we're going to save $500 in 1 month. I know what you're thinking, $500? In this economy? But trust me, we'll break it down into small, manageable steps. Simple changes to your daily habits, cutting unnecessary expenses, and finding creative ways to save more money. Ready to transform your finances and reach your savings goals? Hit that subscribe button and let's crush this challenge together. Day 1 of our 30-day challenge, and we're starting strong. That $5 coffee every day adds up to $150 a month. Brew your own coffee at home, and you've already conquered a huge chunk of our savings goal. That's $150 for your emergency fund, paying down debt or investing or treating yourself at the end of the month. Ditch the coffee shop lines and pocket that $5 bill instead. For day 2, let's talk about everyone's favorite food. Eating out seems harmless, but those bills add up fast. Today's challenge is to cook at home for every meal. You'll save money, control ingredients, and discover new recipes. Imagine the satisfaction of crushing savings goals and enjoying delicious meals. All right, day 3, it's time to ditch the car and embrace public transportation. With gas prices through the roof, it's a no-brainer. Taking the bus, train, or biking to work saves money on gas, parking, and car wear and tear. Plus, it's a chance to catch up on podcasts, read, or enjoy the scenery. Day 4 is all about becoming a subscription slayer. We've all been there, signing up for free trials and then forgetting until bam, another charge hits our account. Today, go through your bank statements and find any unused or forgotten subscriptions. Streaming services, gym memberships, meal kit deliveries, you name it. If you're not using it, it's time to say goodbye. Cutting out a few can free up serious cash in your budget. Get ready to declutter and cash in, because day 5 is all about turning your unused belongings into extra cash. We all have closets and drawers full of clothes, electronics, and other items we no longer use. Instead of letting them collect dust, sell them online or at a consignment shop. You'll be surprised by how much money you can make by selling things you no longer need. Plus, you'll declutter your space and give those items a second life. Welcome to day 6, where we become meal planning masters. Overspending on groceries often happens when shopping without a plan. Plan your meals for the week, create a grocery list, and stick to it. This helps avoid impulse purchases and ensures you have everything for budget-friendly meals at home. Day 7 is all about taking control of your finances with the help of a budgeting app. There are tons of great budgeting apps out there, many of them free, that can help you track your income and expenses, set financial goals, and stay on top of your budget. Find an app that works for you and start tracking every dollar that comes in and goes out. Day 8 is all about resisting the urge to splurge. Impulse purchases can dent your budget. Before buying, ask if you need it, if it aligns with your goals, and if you can afford it. Take time to think it over, and you might be surprised by how much you don't need. Become a coupon king or queen on day 9. Coupons and discounts are your secret weapon for saving on groceries, household items, clothing, and more. Before you shop, take a few minutes to search for coupons or promo codes. You'll be surprised by how much you can save with a little effort. Day 10 is all about becoming an energy efficiency expert and slashing those utility bills. Simple changes like turning off lights when you leave a room, unplugging electronics when not in use, and washing clothes in cold water can make a big difference in your energy use. Your wallet and the planet will thank you. Channel your inner DIY guru on day 11 with homemade cleaning products. Create effective, affordable cleaning solutions using vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. Day 12 is all about embracing the power of borrowing. Before you rush out to buy something you might only use once, consider borrowing it from a friend, family member, or neighbor. Chapter 13 is all about packing your lunch like a pro. Those daily takeout lunches might seem convenient, but they can really eat into your budget. Packing your lunch at home lets you control portions, choose healthier ingredients, and save a ton of money in the process. You'll be surprised by how much you can save and how much healthier you'll feel by ditching takeout. Chapter 14 is all about having fun without breaking the bank. Entertainment expenses can add up quickly, but there are plenty of ways to enjoy yourself without spending a fortune. Explore free or low-cost options in your community, like museums with free days, parks, hiking trails, local events, and festivals, or even a movie night at home with friends. Chapter 15 is all about conquering the grocery store with a strategic shopping list. Before you head to the store, create a list based on your meal plan and stick to it. Day 16 is all about embracing the power of cash. Using a credit or debit card makes it easy to overspend without realizing it. Paying with cash forces you to be more mindful and stick to your budget. You'll be surprised by how much more aware you become of your spending habits. Become a negotiation ninja on day 17. Many bills, like internet, cable, and phone bills, are negotiable. Contact your service providers and ask for a better rate or explore available discounts and promotions. Challenge your brand loyalty and explore generic products. Generic brands often offer the same quality at a fraction of the cost. Next time you're shopping, consider giving generic brands a try. You might be surprised by how much you can save. Chapter 19 is about becoming a financial detective and uncovering hidden expenses. Small, insignificant expenses can add up quickly over time. Review your bank statements and credit card bills from the past month. Knowledge is power in managing your finances. Chapter 20 is all about setting a daily spending limit and challenging yourself to stick to it. This helps you stay on top of your spending and avoid overspending at month's end. Set a realistic daily budget based on income and expenses, and track your spending daily. The key is to be mindful and make conscious choices. Chapter 21 is about harnessing the power of a savings jar. There's something satisfying about seeing your savings grow. Find a jar, label it with your savings goal, and start dropping in your spare change, extra cash, or a set amount daily. Day 22 is all about becoming an ATM fee fighter. Those pesky ATM fees might seem small, but they add up quickly. Make an effort to avoid out-of-network ATMs by planning ahead and withdrawing cash from your bank. Day 23 is all about embracing the bulk buying bonanza. Buying in bulk can save money on groceries, household items, and other essentials, especially if you have storage space. Just make sure you use what you buy and avoid overstocking perishables. Day 24 is about optimizing your energy usage with a programmable thermostat. Heating and cooling costs can be a significant part of your utility bills. But a programmable thermostat can save money by adjusting the temperature based on your schedule. You'll be surprised how much energy and money you can save with this simple adjustment. Day 25 is all about canceling the gym and crushing your workouts for free. Gym memberships are expensive, but there are countless ways to stay active for free. Explore free workout videos online, go for a run or bike ride in your neighborhood, or just crank up the music and dance. Day 26 is all about becoming a DIY gift guru and creating thoughtful and affordable gifts for your loved ones. Store-bought gifts can be expensive, but handmade gifts show you care and can be just as special. Get creative with your skills and explore ideas like baking cookies, creating photo albums, or writing heartfelt letters. Day 27 is about avoiding the convenience store smackdown. Convenience stores can be tempting, but they often charge higher prices for everyday items. Make an effort to avoid convenience stores by planning ahead and stocking up on essentials at the grocery store. Day 28 is all about ditching bottled water and embracing the power of a water filter. Bottled water is expensive and harmful to the environment. Invest in a reusable water bottle and a water filter pitcher to enjoy clean, refreshing water at a fraction of the cost. Day 29 is all about becoming carpool champions. Carpooling saves money on gas, reduces vehicle wear and tear, and minimizes your carbon footprint. Reach out to colleagues, classmates, or friends nearby to explore carpooling options for work, school, or social events. Congratulations! You made it to day 30. Take some time today to celebrate your accomplishments and reflect on how far you've come. You've completed the 30-day money-saving challenge and are on your way to achieving your financial goals. Review your progress, acknowledge your efforts, and give yourself a pat on the back. Congratulations on completing the 30-day money-saving challenge. I'm so proud of you for taking control of your finances and committing to a better future. Remember, this is just the beginning. Keep the momentum by implementing these strategies into your daily life. Share your success stories below and inspire others. Until next time, keep crushing it.